What's up, guys? It's July 18th, 2024. Nice bear trend day. I didn't trade today, but I hope you guys caught a couple legs lower at least. Um, Daily chart, 45-minute chart, breaking below the EMA. Looks like we're bouncing. This is the first touch of the EMA in a really long time, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. Bears got a good bar down here that had follow through, so that's also good for the Bears. They've already closed this gap and this gap. I drew a gap. I remember drawing a gap here, but I guess it didn't. I didn't save the chart. But now there is a for sure real gap. Yeah, so gap is strength in a range bound environment. I got the hiccups again, dude. What is going on? It's like only when I try and record myself I get hiccups. Um, right there. Okay, so Bears put it in the gap today. They want to keep that open. Let me save it. Bulls want that closed. If it closes, we're more range bound. If it stays open, there's starting to be bearish pressure. It doesn't mean we're going to reverse all the way lower. It just means there's starting to be bearish pressure. This is a June 20th breakout. It got retested today. Here's that. This is the first time a date I've had here got tested. Look, every time I put a date, it's never been tested. So that's kind of cool to just have like I've been doing this for some time now, which is crazy to think. 5 months left, and then I've done a breakdown of this entire year, which is gonna be sick. That's what I'm trying to go for. So yeah, first touch of the EMA on the daily chart. There are many, 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 many bars on the 45-minute chart. Oh, no sync, save. So if this was a 5-minute chart, this would be a setup to buy. So maybe tomorrow, will we go sideways and then up, or will bulls get a 2-bar reversal and close the gap, or do we go lower and start closing more gaps? Because now this gap's closed, this super small gap's closed. This gap got closed immediately. I can delete that. That looks a little more fluid now. There was a no gap there. Okay. So yeah, I didn't trade today. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. But one thing I wanted to say was I just want to see what happens if I trade without the lines on my chart. So no high, no previous day high, previous day low marked, and just focus more on the breakouts above the EMA, and just see what happens. That's what I've been focusing on. So just like less information. I don't know if this is good or bad, but I'm gonna be taking a passive approach at the markets these next couple of weeks to just I need to build momentum back up. I'm doing good and then screwing up. Look, I got shredded these 2 days and then I missed this day. And that the fact that this day trended made today not even a break. It just made me like I was like it's like cussing under my breath. Every time I saw another bear bar, I was like cussing. So I didn't even take a break today. But so I'm gonna try to take another break tomorrow because I have to go to work anyway, so I can't trade. So anyways, gap up, bar one's a bear bar, bad for the bulls, good for the bears. We're trading under the EMA, so bear territory. Bar two is a bull bar, breaking above the high of bar one, but bar three reverses lower to a new low of the day. Bar four, we tag the EMA. Bar five, bears go for the breakout, but fail. Bulls buy the EMA. I think they're buying the low of this bar's range. Break out of that bar's range, and they go for 2R. And I'm willing to bet it was met. 2R was met, and then the market reverses. This is a bull flag in bear territory. We're testing yesterday's low, yesterday's breakout level right here, and then it reverses lower. Bar 12. So here's a pullback, high one, more sellers above the high one. Bar 12 is good for the bears, bad for the bulls. I think there are more sellers at highs, more buyers at the low. However, bar 13 happens, trapping everyone that's buying this low. They get trapped. Strong breakout, breaking out below many bars. Strong through the EMA. Really big bear gap here with follow through. The 14, 15. 16 creates a double bottom and the trade's lower by one tick. And my bad, I've got to go check the door for Amazon, and then they're supposed to be here soon. So I'm gonna speed through these bars, but it'll still be about a 10-minute video. Reversal pullback. This is the first pullback after a strong breakout. First pullbacks usually fail. This breakout was so strong, the low one led to a continuation. Usually it's a two-legged pullback, but on strong breakouts, low ones are good trades. Bar 18 was that. And then we can see if we did get a measured move of the bar 18 range. I really haven't been checking that out lately because I'm focused more on just 1 to 2 hours of breakout bars. Good breakout below the low of the day. Bar 15, 16 is low. Running stops. Bulls that have limit orders here are getting trapped and they have to hit out. And we get consecutive sell bars for 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bars. I definitely think we will see lower prices. That's relentless selling. Breakout with a really, really good follow through. However, the market hasn't pulled back in over 8 bars, so we're due for a pullback. And bulls get a pullback. It's a rally. It's a weak rally. Multiple pushes up. So here's that trend line break with bar 31. Bar 31 pullback. Double bottom. Tags the EMA. We go sideways. Bulls go for the breakout with a wedge top here. It fails. Bar 47. Bad sell signal, but it is a sell signal. More sellers. We're testing the low. Bar 21's high. I think there are more sellers above the EMA. This is the strong trend. First time we go above the EMA, bears are gonna sell. Strong trend. First time we go below the EMA, bulls are gonna buy. Same idea. It's fractal, and this wedge top leads to a second leg lower. This is leg 1, so leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, and then here we have a leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. Bears want to go for a new low of the day, and they get that. Getting trapped with bar 65 here. I'm trying my best not to sneeze. Bar 65, I think trap bulls wanting to go for an outside bar at the low of the day here. Traps bar 67 reverses, and bears get it back into a new low of the day, and then bulls rally testing this breakout point here. Strong rally. You got to ask yourself how much more bars can bears sell until they need to take profits. Guys, the Amazon driver is here. I know I kind of sped through this. I apologize. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. I hope everyone is safe. I hope you guys made money today. And if you want, here are the gaps real quick. I really think you guys should start just drawing gaps as they happen. And this is sloppy gaps, but I just want you guys to see like gaps are important. Gaps tell us not to be. Look, this bull gap here got closed. I'm rushing. The guy's outside. Okay, you guys get it. Drawing some gaps. Now my chart looks silly. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye.